rest and be thankful, one of Scotland's most unbelievable petrol head roads. So here at Dreamscape Automotive, we've developed a concept that's going to showcase some of Scotland's best roads and Scotland's best cars. So the series is going to be called One Car, One Road, and today we are up here at the Rest and Be Thankful in Scotland filming episode 1. So if you like this type of thing and you're interested in fast cars and fast roads, especially in Scotland, and you want to visit here and try these roads on your own, then give us a subscribe and engage with this video. So we start here today on the Rest and Be Thankful with the A45s Amg, and we're going to do some flybys, we're going to do some launch controls, we're going to do some drone shots, and of course we're going to go a drive on the road. So if this is your thing, stick with us and enjoy the video. Okay, so we're going to kick this video off with some unbelievable drone shots of the Rest and Be Thankful itself. It looks much different from up there in the sky and than it does when you're in the car. So let's have a look at these unbelievable drone shots. Drone shots, who do I think I am? A Top Gear producer. So if you want to follow the road that we took today in this video, you're about to see some clips of the A45s driving the road, then this map on the screen is what you want to follow. This map actually shows a little bit more than the Rest and Be Thankful road, but if you want to follow the route in the videos and have the same driving experience that we did when you visit Scotland, then follow this map that is on the screen now. Anyway, have you all had enough drone shots and information about the road? Let's just get stuck right in with the A45s. Let's go. Okay, so now that we've looked at all those amazing drone shots, I think you'll all agree they are absolutely fantastic. What an unbelievable road we've got here in Scotland. So now we're going to take a run through in the A45s Amg of the Rest and Be Thankful. Enjoy. Okay, let's get going. Okay, so we're going to talk through the road itself so that when you visit the road yourself, you can get a good understanding of the road itself. So we're just exiting a little camping zone here and we're going to head out onto the road. So the first corner is a big sweeping left hand corner, as you can see coming round here nice and smooth. A45s handling this, no problem. And then we're onto a nice little straight before we come onto another very short left, and then a nice big long straight. Just need to be really careful on this road. There's a lot of traffic and there's a lot of roadworks happening just across the end of the road here. Into another sweeping left all the way around, big long left all the way across to here, just passing Honeymoon Bridge. And then we need to get right on the brakes for this one here because we're coming into quite a hard right hand turn here. So just nice and easy, about 50 miles an hour right through, nice and easy. Find the accelerator on the way out of the corner. And we've got some company here, so we're going to need to get past this person here. Nice and easy overtake, nothing too dramatic. Into a nice sweeping left hand bend here, nice and easy on the throttle. And then round into a sweeping right. This one is quite tight, so just be careful when you're coming round this corner. And then on the brakes for this one, because this one changes level halfway through the corner. Nice and easy round to the right hand side. You can see some roadworks happening here, so just be careful. Now we're into the good bit, so right up the main hill. You can carry a bit of speed through here, obviously nothing illegal, just the speed limit all the way up the hill. Nice sweeping left here. This is one to be careful of here when you come up to the barrier, so just get on the brakes, swing it round to the right, and then it opens back up the hill, back on the throttle again to get up the hill. Again, you need to be very careful on this road. It is a B road, there's a lot of traffic on it, a lot of moving parts, so just take it easy, don't be doing anything too dangerous on the road. You want to keep yourself safe. We're just trying to raise awareness of the road here so that when people come and visit the road, they can do it safely. So we're into a sweeping right here, as you can see, beautiful views all the way up the hill. You can see that amazing landscape there. And just down to the left hand side, you won't be able to see in this camera, but if you're ever here you'll see the old military road down to the right hand side here. Just a nice easy overtake again, nothing too dramatic. Into a sweeping left and then into a right, almost like a wee chicane. Right up and over the top, and we just head right up this straight, right up to the top of the hill. This A45s handles this no bother. Another little chicane here, left, then right, and then right on the brakes for this one because this is a really tight sweeping left bend. As you come round the top here, there is a car park with a burger van, so just be very careful when you're coming round here as there is a lot of people moving. It's a nice sweeping right all the way around to the right here, and just on the left is the entrance to the burger van, so just be very careful. Stay on the brakes on the way around here as you come round. Nice sweeping right hand bend, and then the road opens up to where we've seen the drone shots happening just earlier on in the video. Nice open straight. Just as the road gets a wee bit brownish here, you can just open the car up a little bit. Nice straight into a left hand, past the parking bay on the left hand side, and just slow it down a wee bit for this bend because it's quite an open one, but you do feel as if you're kind of sitting up really high here, so just be careful. And then a nice right hand sweeping bend round here. Again, as the barriers start to appear here, hard on the brakes, make sure that you don't lose it here, go right in here, and just be careful. There's a car parking bay on the left, there's a lot of people moving around. Into a nice sweeping left, and then this is down a long hill, and we're just about to come to the end of where we're filming today, just down here onto this nice straight, and then there is a big long sweeping left hand bend. You need to take this one very easily, especially in wet conditions like today. Don't want any accidents, you want to keep yourself safe. So that was a run through of the rest of me thankful and an A45s AMG on a pretty wet day in Scotland. So if you're ever coming to film here, coming to drive here, then just come, take it easy on this road, and most of all, enjoy yourself. Okay, so you join us here at the end of the rest of me thankful after what has been an amazing day filming up here with the A45s. So I'd just like to thank my best mate Luke for giving us a help here with all the filming. He's been a great sport today. You can't really do this single-handedly. It's very difficult. So that was episode 1 of One Car, One Road. I think we'll all agree that the shots that we got today were fantastic, and I really can't wait to get recording for episode 2. So if you like this series, One Car, One Road, exploring Scotland's best roads with Scotland's best cars, then give us a subscribe, give us a comment, give us a like, and generally just join the Dreamscape community. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Shots in the car on the road, right? Wait for this guy to go by. Fuck me bro, it's party. I know. I think we do for content. Okay, so now that we've looked at all those amazing drone shots, I think you'll all agree they are absolutely fantastic. One beep, it's recording and you'll see it counting. Yeah. So what time is it? 5:53. So this is the commitment for the content. We're leaving at 5:53 to get to the rest and be thankful for episode 1 of One Car, One Road with the A45. So you better appreciate this video, and I hope this one does well. So we'll check back in when we get up there.
Up with the bin, man.
So starting the day off with a Red Bull as always. It's about an hour and 20-minute drive to get to the rest and be thankful. So it's really dark, so we're not going to try and get too much content here. But yeah, always starting the day off with a Red Bull.